All right, so you have a iPhone XS or XS Max and you want to know how to turn it off. You are probably pressing and holding the power button here and nothing's really happening. You're not getting no slide bar to turn off your phone. Well, what you need to do is press two keys at the same time. You need to press and hold until you see that slider option, okay? So it's the volume up button and the power button, okay? So basically press and hold until you see this, and now you can let go, and then you can go ahead and slide this to power off. Now the thing is, you have to remember to press both of these buttons, to press and hold until you see that menu. If you simply just press both buttons simultaneously really fast and let go, it's just going to take a screenshot. Okay, again, what you want to do is press and hold both buttons like this, wait till this menu pops up here, then you can go ahead and slide to power off. Now there is a second way to shut off your phone. You can simply go into your settings here, your settings app. Then you want to go to General right here. And then from here, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down to the very, very bottom. And it says Shut Down. Tap on that. And then you get that option here. It says Slide to Power Off. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope that helped you out. I'll see you on the next one.